Hi, my name's Renelle Roth and I'm a functional consultant at Magnetism Solutions. And here's my handy tip of the day. Have you ever found yourself working on a Microsoft flow? You've developed your process, you're adding your action steps, putting in your functionality. And as you've progressed, you realized, wait a second, there's a change of plan needed here, and I need to rearrange what I've already built. So maybe move around a few action steps or change a feature to be earlier in your flow rather than later. Well, I've got a handy tip today that hopefully helps a little bit. So have you ever noticed that, let's say for example, I've got compose here and I've got a custom string that I've added. It's an expression that I've added here and I would like to reuse this feature later in my flow. So what I'd like to do is, normally what I would do is add expression, add the feature, redo my string into the details and then save it there. But it would have been a lot nicer if I could just copy this functionality that I already wrote out and add it into my feature here. Well, the lucky handy tip that I have for you today is that by selecting that feature, there you go, and ctrl+c, copying it over, you can then easily ctrl+v, add it into your action step. So you can move your functionality about, control-copy, control-paste, and there you have it. No need to rewrite that string. And that's my handy tip of the day. Hopefully it helps save you heaps of time. But there are features available within Microsoft Flow that when you know about them can save you that time. Have an awesome day.